Russian tank operators have often added protection by their own initiative due to the larger variety of threat they are under, and the poorer armor their tank possesses. While these quick made-up added protection often adds little value, such as cope cage, the added protection can often be circumvented. Showing a T-72B tank with a cope cage. The tank is already damaged and abandoned for unknown reason, which gives a Ukrainian drone operator a chance to destroy it completely. But while the two hatches of the turret are open, the netting is protecting these inlets. However, a third hatch in the front is also open, which the skillful drone operator manages to hit with an F-1 grenade. This causes an internal fire which leads to an explosion of the left behind ammunition, showing both the skills of the Ukrainian drone operators, but also the very narrow protection span of the cope cage. That's all I had for this video. If you would like to support this channel even more, check out my Patreon. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.